An old school video camera, handheld, an even older camera, a rotary dial phone. Arguably these things are not very practical anymore, but what is this? This is a 1979 Solar Barbecue. So let's see if this is more practical than these items. Welcome to the future, guys. We're going to test the vintage solar cooker. Here are the inserts that came with it, so you can take a screenshot if you want to try and read it. I went into more detail on this in my previous unboxing video, so make sure to check that out. It's not all that special, but whatever. So those legs were not easy to put on, and I feel like that could be a failure point. But yeah, I was inspired by a video that I'll link below, so that's why I'm doing chicken. Bet you've never seen chicken wings cooked like that before. There's this really interesting mechanism where there's a little hole here, and then that hole shines down onto this finder, because this is obviously a very precise instrument, so that's a unique finder. And it was actually kind of hard to align it. July 29th, 2019, and the time is 3:33 and 3 seconds. I've been on probably for 5 minutes, and we're already starting to get some drippage on the panel. I thought about using Solfaing, and I may do that in a future video, but the manufacturer of this unit said that this would happen, so I kind of just want to see what happens. And what I like about the square, how this is square, is that I can get a guaranteed 4 rotations, right? So, and then there's the wonderful juice dripping on my beautiful paneling that I'm not supposed to touch. So there's another issue that I have with this machine, and that is flies. They're unsanitary and they're a real pain. I don't know if you can see them. So it seems to me like the area is too hot for them to really touch down on food. I'm probably frying their eyes right now too, but so I don't think it's a huge issue, but I still do have a little bit of a qualm with it. Oh yeah, look at that action. The chicken's actually bubbling above the area where the sun is. Still dripping. Oh man, look at that mess. That's terrible. I'm gonna try saran wrap on the next video. So I'm thinking maybe I'll just take a spray bottle of water here. It's obviously super gross. Yeah, that actually worked pretty good. It's taking my sweet time, but you can see how much the angles changed here as the sun tracks further, which again is something that I like about this, because it's something that, you know, they say in the winter is not really going to make much of a difference, and these are really done. But I just put another round of glaze on them, and I'm just going to let them sit out here for a little bit longer just to really push the limits. I mean, these things are just incredible though. Okay, I have now gotten to the point where I'm starting to burn the outside, so you can actually see the smoke coming off. So I'm gonna go ahead and call this a good. Yeah, there we go. You can see the burning. So this is the final product. I'm gonna go ahead and put some more glaze on them. Alright, there we go. Well, let's do a taste test. Okay, let's do a taste test. probably overcooked it a little bit. The chard outside is really good. I've never had chicken like this before, but I definitely overcooked it.